Have you heard the story of the bird that thanked God for everything? A small bird lived in the desert, featherless, without water, food, or shelter. Its life was full of suffering, and each day it cried, "God, why must I suffer so much?" One day, an angel passed by, and the bird asked where he was going. "To see God," the angel replied. Desperate, the bird asked him to find out when its suffering would end. The angel agreed. When he reached God, the angel asked about the bird's pain. God answered, "It will have no happiness in its life." Shocked, the angel asked what to tell the bird without crushing its hope. God smiled and said, "Tell it to say, 'Thank you, God, for everything, every day.'" The angel returned and gave the message. Though confused, the bird obeyed. When the sun burned, it said, "Thank you, God." When it was hungry, it repeated the same. Days later, the angel saw a miracle. The bird had feathers, water appeared, and the desert bloomed. The bird sang with joy. The angel asked God what happened. God replied, "The bird changed its attitude, and its life changed too." Sometimes gratitude is the key to transformation.